Hello guys. I did a couple of projects that I didn't record. Last couple days I haven't really been feeling like talking to the camera and all that stuff. So I just kind of wanted to work on some projects and just chill. So, but I did want to show you them. So, I got some different beveled side molds to try them out because I still like my white ones, but these ones have a really big lip on the side. See? So you kind of gotta open them like this and then not, you know, like that. So they don't seem to be sticking, but it's their first go around, and molds usually act pretty good on their first go around. So these are some coasters that I made. I did them in stages. I did a white back first, and then I put the butterfly on, and then I filled with the clear. So the white backing has glitter in it, which is heavenly, from Fran's Glitter and More. I'm on a heavenly kick right now. So I'll get these unmolded and then I'll give you close-ups. See how they wrap totally around? Which, if you fill them all the way up, it leaves you a little lip, like a coaster lip. So that's that one. So I made a Lazy Susan to match these because I'm going to sell them as a set. These molds are pretty good. I used KS casting resin for these. I love the sides. All right, I'm gonna give you a close-up. So I did one with two. Oh my God. My lights. Are not good lately. Alright, so this one's got two little butterflies facing itself. See how it's got like a little lip on it, like a coaster should have. Sides. I love the diamond edge. I love how these turned out. They all kind of look the same, but I got different designs. This has just got two butterflies here. This one's just got one. So, love them. So see how the mold wraps completely around. So you kind of gotta slide it like that to get it off. All right, oops, that's that. Let me move these out of the way, and I will show you this is the Lazy Susan. Bring it out a little bit. Let me take you out of the thing. Hang on. All right. So this is the Lazy Susan, and it's done just like the coasters with the white and the glitter. And then I put the butterflies on. Butterflies are actually stickers. Gorgeous. Ring light, obnoxious. Over there it wasn't working good, was it? So yeah, these are just stickers, and then I let it focus. And then I put 2 coats of resin on it. So I don't know why this autofocus is on. Hang on. All right, so that is the Lazy Susan. It is I think it's 18. Oh, no, I'm wrong. It's 15. Ouch. I just slammed my thumb. Okay, so it's 15 inches. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I move this out of the way. And then I made a beach. And I love this beach. It's very simple. But I did look at the 3D waves. See, I got one wave. It comes down. And then another wave comes down. It's like it's rolling up on the beach. This is the first time I've done that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see it? See the layers? So yeah, I'm excited about that. I love how it turned out. I love the depth in it. And it is ready to hang, ready to go to its new home. So I will be updating my Etsy shop here in the next week and putting all this new stuff on it. If you are interested in it, in any of the stuff that I show, email me at codyandjakesmom@gmail.com. It is down in the description. So I'll be selling the butterfly set as a set, coasters and the Lazy Susan together. So I think that's it for now. I don't think I've worked on anything else. Oh, I had some extra clear resin and I just put glitter in it and made another heart. Super weird how it separated itself. It went to the bottom and it went to the top, and then in the middle it left it kind of transparent. And I'm not sure. I did a video on this guy here. So if you want to see that being made, that's in a video. But it's very pretty. And I love how it came out. But it's a tray. Or not a tray. A trinket dish. And yeah, there's a video on that. So I think that is it for now, and I will see you guys on the next video. I love these. I love how they came out. So thanks for watching, guys, and I just wanted to show you what I've been up to. I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.